Dear friends, welcome to Know Thyself YouTube Channel. Good morning. Hope you are all staying safe and keeping well. In today's Know Your Body segment, we will briefly talk about the second organ system, the respiratory system. The primary organs that make up the respiratory system are the trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, alveoli, lungs, and diaphragm. There are mainly 5 functions performed by the respiratory system: pulmonary ventilation or breathing, external respiration, internal respiration, phonation or creation of sound, and olfaction or sensation of smell. First, pulmonary ventilation or breathing. It consists in inhaling air from the atmosphere through the nasal or oral cavities and let it move into the lungs through the throat, voice box, and trachea, and exhale the air by allowing it to go back in the same way. When normal inhalation happens, the diaphragm and the external intercostal muscles contract and the rib cage elevates. This increases volume of the lungs, dropping the air pressure and making the air from the atmosphere to rush in. During normal exhalation, the diaphragm and the intercostal muscles relax. This decreases the volume of the lungs, increasing air pressure and expelling the air from the lungs into the atmosphere. Second, external respiration. It takes place inside the lungs. It consists in exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between the lungs and the bloodstream with the help of alveoli. Oxygen from the inhaled air is diffused from alveoli into the pulmonary capillaries and then into the hemoglobin molecules of the red blood cells and is pumped through the bloodstream. While this happens, carbon dioxide from deoxygenated blood carried by the red blood cells diffuses from the capillaries into the alveoli and expelled through exhalation. Third, internal respiration. It consists in exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between blood streams and body tissues by the red blood cells. The red blood cells carry oxygen absorbed from the lungs around the body through the bloodstream and diffuse the oxygen through the capillary walls into the body tissues. Meanwhile, the carbon dioxide is diffused from the body tissues into the red blood cells, which they carry back to the lungs to be oxygenated. Fourth, phonation or creation of sound. Creation of sound or phonation happens when air vibrates the vocal cords. When we exhale, air passes from the lungs through the voice box. When we speak, muscles in the voice box move adenoid cartilages and make them push the vocal cords together. When the vocal cords are pushed together, air passing between them makes them vibrate, creating the sound. If the tension in the vocal cords are great, it creates rapid vibrations and high-pitched sounds. And if tension is lesser, it causes slower vibrations and lower pitched sounds. Fifth, olfaction or sensation of smell. Olfaction begins with olfactory fibers that line the nasal cavities inside the nose. When air enters the nasal cavities, chemicals in the air activate the nervous system receptors on the cilia and send a signal to the brain. The neurons take the signal from the nasal cavities through the opening in the ethmoid bone to olfactory bulbs. Then the signal travels through the olfactory bulbs along the cranial nerve to the olfactory area of the cerebral cortex. This makes us experience the sensation of smell. The 5 functions of the respiratory system clearly points the wonder and the mystery of the human body. It is important that we take good care of our respiratory system and keep it healthy and sound. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed. Until we see you again with another video.